Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Hey guys, good morning. This is the Velvetlox with another video. Now, a lot of you ask me, how do I start my morning? I start my morning off with the Bragg's apple cider vinegar and lemon juice concoction. Now, this has worked for me before when I was losing 50 pounds, or should I say, when I lost 50 pounds without exercising. This has been my staple go-to detox supplement. I'm telling you, this plus a healthy meal during the day, it's going to help you. You're going to see weight loss. I did this 3 times a day before each meal, and I saw the weight melting off in no time. Before you know it, your clothes are going to be big. You're going to need to go shopping, and you're shrinking. I also like to vamp it up a little with some cayenne pepper, because the cayenne pepper helps to give your body that extra boost and heat it up really well. Plus, it helps to stimulate your bowels, and this is what you're trying to do, to get rid of everything that you may possibly have in your intestines. So when you do this 3 times a day, 20 to 30 minutes before each of your meals, you're going to see a lot of weight coming off you in no time. Now, you must eat well if you really want to see the benefits of this detox tea. Alright, so let's continue with this video. So I'll show you exactly what I actually ate for the day. And what I do when I want to have something to drink in between my meals, I like to make a nice cup of my green tea. Okay. What I do in the meantime of my water boiling, I use my little teeny cup. I don't have the actual top to it, but I do have my strainer, so I still use it to steep my green tea instead of using a pot. You can use a pot, if you're home. So what I do is I just measure 1 teaspoon of my green tea leaves. If you have green tea bags, that's just as good. And then I allow my water to boil and enjoy a nice cup of tea. So now that my green tea is finished steeping in my cup, okay, this is how I enjoy my tea in the mid-afternoon. And also I make another cup of it right before, or I have another cup of it with my meal. So whenever I'm preparing lunch, I also like to prepare a glass of green tea, which is full with antioxidants. It's also great for weight loss, and it helps boost your metabolism. And in the mid-afternoon, this is what I like to drink, a nice cup of green tea with lemon juice. Okay, I usually drink this 3 times a day, usually in the mornings or mid-afternoon, right before lunch, and also right before dinner. So what I'm having this morning, after I've already did my Bragg's apple cider vinegar drink, is I'm going to have me some oatmeal. Okay, and this is my Quaker's brown sugar. And I'm going to have 2 packs of this today. I'm really hungry. So I've already boiled my water. I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit, let it sit, swell. Okay. And what I like to do with my oatmeals is either have like sliced apples, or today I'm going to have my sliced banana. And I'll probably just do half today. I really don't want too much banana. You could do blueberries, strawberries, whatever fruits, but I like to eat that with my oatmeal. And I'm just going to add a little bit of milk to make it a little more creamier. And that's it, you guys. That's breakfast. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. I'm having a nice jerk chicken salad, and I did not make this. I bought this at my local Caribbean restaurant because I did not make anything in advance for lunch, so I chose something healthy. Now this is with some shredded lettuce. It has some sliced onions in there, some red onions. It has some shredded carrots and some cherry tomatoes, which I really don't eat the cherry tomatoes. And what I like to do is I like to sprinkle some barbecue sauce and eat it like that. No salad dressing, just a little barbecue sauce. And I'm currently making my green tea to go with it. So that's what I have for lunch. Hey you guys, just wanted to come here to show you my dinner for the night. Okay, I have some purple cabbage, I have some potatoes, so some steamed sauteed potatoes. I also have some asparagus, and I got some seasoned shrimps, and I pretty much used some obey on it and a little jerk powder on it just to give it a little flavor. And this is my dinner for the night. Now this may look like a lot, but listen, I cannot even eat half this food. Okay, I cannot even eat half this food. And yeah, I'm upstairs eating in my room. All right. But this is a nice, delicious dinner. I just want to show you guys what I'm eating for the day. I put my shrimps. What I did was I put a little jerk powder in and a little obey, some butter. I put it in a Pyrex dish, covered it, and put it in the oven. And I cooked it until it was well done. And I also steamed my purple cabbage. I did a quick meal tonight. I did that in a microwave. And I also steamed my potatoes with some obey seasoning on it in the microwave. And I also steamed my asparagus. Okay, so this is what I'm eating today. All right, you guys, see you in the next clip. Bon appetit. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.